Hello everyone, welcome to Qviple tutorial. Let's see how you can work as a department head or HOD. First of all, log into your Qviple account by using your registered mobile number or email ID. Then navigate to HOD's designation. Inside HOD's designation, you have option to alter the display profile photo of your department. Then you have also option for site information, which will be updated for your particular department and will be visible on your website. Then you have option such as menu and classes. Inside classes option, you can alter the designation of particular classroom, can change the class names and more. Inside the classroom or the class, you have class catalog for that particular class. Then you also have attendance for that particular class. You can export the attendance of that particular class as well. You have options such as like subject level attendance or like the combined attendance export. Inside subjects tab, you have subjects for that particular classroom. If the department setting is on, such as semester wise, the subject will be categorized in the semester pattern as well. From the subjects tab, you will be able to edit the designation for particular subject. You can also change the category of the particular subject or the title of that particular subject teacher or as a lecturer. Going back to menu section, in menu section you have staff room, from where you can add particular staff to your department. You also have option to shuffle the staffs as per your need, which will be visible in the shuffled sequence on your website as well under your department. Going into workload, note that the workload tab will be only applicable or will only work after you have assigned designation to your staff, and afterwards you can upload the workload or you can update the workload for particular staff for particular designation that you have assigned in for that semester. Inside workload, you also have option for updating master timetable. You can update the timetable for each classroom for that particular semester by adding the subject and the time for the subject for particular that day. It is a weekly timetable. And from staff guide section, you have option to add a staff's guide, such as like you have to select a particular staff and you can assign them as a mentor admin or a project admin, seminar admin or internship admin, and that particular admin will assign guides to particular staffs, can assign staff as a guide for particular students. From settings section, you can update the internal and external conversion or the exam pattern for your particular department, and you also can update the time of your department if it is different from the standard institute time. That's all for department head. Thank you everyone.